Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to know about the textbook solutions of class 6 science chapter 16 garbage in and garbage out. We are going to study the additional question and answers and also the solved textbook activity of this lesson in this video. And if you want the other lesson solutions and other lessons solved textbook activities and other lessons extra question answers, you can check the playlist of my channel. Question number 1. What kind of garbage is not converted into compost by the red worms? Answer. The garbage which are non-biodegradable in nature like iron strips, plastic, polybags, etc. are not converted into compost by the red worms. B. Have you seen any other organisms beside red worms in your pit? If yes, try to find out their names. Draw the picture of these. Answer. Yes, these organisms includes maggots, flies, cockroaches, etc. Here is the picture of those organisms. Next, question number 2. Discuss, is garbage disposal the responsibility only of the government? Answer is, along with government and local municipality corporation, it is also the duty of every citizen to help in garbage disposal. A clean environment is necessary to keep us healthy and also to avoid spread of diseases. We should throw garbage at proper places such as dustbins so that Safai Karamcharis can collect the garbage easily. Next question. Is it possible to reduce the problems relating to disposal garbage if we yes, answer is, it is possible to reduce the problems relating to disposal of garbage if we adopt the following means. That is, the garbage should be thrown at proper places. It should not be thrown on streets, roads, parks, etc. Number 2, the part of the garbage that can be reused should be separated from the one that can be used. The non-useful components should be disposed of at landfill areas. Number 3, follow the rules of 3Rs: reduce, recycle and reuse. 3 Rs means reduce, recycle and reuse. Next question. What do you do with the leftover food at home? Answer. Leftover food at home along with other kitchen waste like vegetable peels, paper are dumped into compost pit to convert them into manure. Later on, the manure is used to grow plants. Next, if you and your friends are given the choice of eating in a plastic plate or a banana leaf platter at the party, which one would you prefer and why? Answer. We will select banana leaf platter because it can be easily converted into manure by composting. Plastic paper can be recycled, but in this process it gives out harmful gases which pollute the environment. Plastic items cannot be converted into manure by composting. Next question. Collect pieces of different kinds of paper. Find out which of these can be recycled. Answer. Pieces of paper obtained from newspaper, notebook, magazine, etc. can be recycled. Plastic coated and shiny paper cannot be recycled easily. With the help of a lens, look at the pieces of paper you collected in the above question. Do you see any difference in the material of the recycled paper and a new sheet of paper? Answer. The surface of recycled paper is rough, whereas the surface of new sheet paper is smooth. Next question. Collect different kinds of packaging materials. For what purpose each one was used? Discuss in groups. Answer. Different kinds of packaging materials and its uses. Number 1. Paper packaging material, mostly used for packing of light and durable and hard products like soap, blades, chocolates, etc. Number 2. Plastic packaging materials, used for liquid items and medium way too, like oils, drinking, water bottle, shampoo, etc. Polybags, used for carrying groceries, vegetables, etc. Number 4. Clothes and jute packing material, used for heavy weighted as well as medium weighted too, like carrying clothes, grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. Next, give an example in which packaging could have been reduced. Answer. If people started carrying their own carry bags for buying groceries and vegetables and fruits, then there will be no need for packing those materials by using plastics, and thus the packaging could be reduced. Write a story on how packaging increase the amount of garbage. Answer: packaging increases the amount of garbage as it is quite useless after the product is delivered and utilized. These useless packaging materials are thrown away and just add loads to the garbage. Some of them are made of plastics and non-biodegradable and are hazardous to our environment. Next question: do you think it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers? Why? Answer: yes, I think it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers because it is environment friendly and add natural fertility to the soil. It does not have adverse effect on nature and creates no pollution. The food items grown are also healthy and do not contain any chemicals. It is cheaper than the chemical fertilizers. Soil will never lose its fertility if we use compost. Next, these are all the textbook activities of your lesson. Here are the additional important question and answers related to this lesson. First main, fill in the blanks. Solid waste generated in our home is called domestic waste. It is commonly called as dash garbage. Number 2, dash are the large open areas used to dispose solid waste, landfills. Number 3, dash are called farmer's friend and are used in vermicomposting, redworms. Number 4, dash is a domestic liquid waste, sewage. The rotting and conversion of some materials into manure is called dash composting. Next main, say whether true or false. Compost is an organic matter used as fertilizer. True. Old newspapers cannot be recycled. False. Empty plastic bottles can be reused. True. DDT is a biodegradable substance. False. Burning of leaves produces harmless gases. False. Next main, give 2 examples for the following. First, biodegradable waste. Answer: vegetables and paper. Number 2, non-biodegradable waste. Answer: plastic and fertilizers. Number 3, recyclable waste, paper and glass. Reusable waste. Answer: plastic and cardboards. Domestic waste. Answer: fruit peels and plastic bags. Next main, answer the following questions. Number 1, what is a landfill? Answer: a low-lying open area is called landfills. Number 2, what are blue colored bins used for? Answer: blue bins are used for collecting materials, composting into manure. Next, what are redworms? Answer: redworms are a type of earthworms which help in preparing compost from the kitchen waste and parts of plants or animals. Next question, we should not add wastes containing salt, pickle, oil, vinegar, meat and milk product in vermicomposting pit to feed the redworms. Why? Answer: addition of substances such as salt, oil, pickle, vinegar, meat and milk products to vermicomposting pit causes growth of diseases causing small organisms. They may cause harm to redworms and hinder in preparation of vermicompost. Next question, list the products produced from an industry. Answer: chemical, smoke, ash, empty containers such as glass bottles, plastic articles, wrappers, plastic bags, broken things, iron or other metals. Next question, what will happen if garbage is left open in a bin? Answer: garbage will rot and bad smell will spread all around the surroundings. Garbage will become breeding spot for flies, mosquitoes and other diseases causing small organisms. Due to flies, mosquitoes and other organisms may diseases will spread in the community. Rotting garbage may cause air pollution and spread of respiratory diseases such as breathing problem. Next question, list out waste things. Answer: empty bottles, syringe, needles, ampules, used cotton, injection bottles, used bandages, pieces of plaster, tablet wrappers, empty paper box, polythene bags, leftover food items, peels of fruits and vegetables. Next question, list the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste products in your school. What are the best ways to get rid of this garbage? Biodegradable waste. Answer: biodegradable waste are paper container, chalk boxes, pencil scraps, feces and urine, loose and torn waste paper of exercise notebook and diaries, fallen leaves and twigs, fruit peels and flower waste, non-biodegradable waste, broken glasswares, plastic and geometrical instruments, plastic and polythene containers, wrapper of toffees, aluminum foil, broken iron wires. Disposal of waste biodegradable garbage can be put in a pit made in one corner of the school compound. Cover the garbage with soil, spray some water. When this pit is full of degradable items, cover it with a mixture of dung and clay for a few weeks. After a few weeks, odor stops coming out from the pit. It indicates that all degradable material have been converted into compost manure. The non-biodegradable garbage can be sold for recycling to kabadi or can be dumped in a landfill. So this is all about your textbook activity, exercises, solution and the additional question answers of class 6 science, that is chapter 16, garbage in garbage out. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.